A study published in 2017 found that a 30-minute music therapy session combined with traditional care after spinal surgery reduced pain. Sounds amazing, right? Keep watching. Sound healing can be used to help you relax, or it can be used as part of a meditation practice. It has been shown to have many benefits, but how exactly does it work? Sound frequencies are chosen based on the needs of each individual listener. This ancient technique helps clear your mind, reduces stress and anxiety, while kindling a renewed sense of well-being. At Auroville.com, we have a collection of handmade musical instruments that can be used in a variety of ways. Whether you're making music or a collector of fine instruments, each piece is a functional work of art in itself. All types of instruments and accessories are available for your home. Strings, wind, chimes. All you have to do is sit back, empty your mind, and feel the vibrations. Bring forth a wholesome, harmonizing effect in your home and daily life today. For more information about these handmade instruments and sound healing, follow the links in the description below. Thank you for stopping by, and please remember to subscribe on your way out.